Recipe: tofu meatloaf and vegan TVP. A vegan meatloaf recipe made from tofu and TVP. High in protein and flavored with poultry seasoning, this vegetarian loaf with TVP recipe is perfect for the centerpiece of your vegetarian Thanksgiving, holiday or everyday table. Serve with vegetarian gravy and mashed potatoes for a classic American meal. Total time 75 minutes. Prep 30 minutes. Cook 45 minutes. Yield serves 8. What you'll need: 1 10-ounce package frozen spinach, thawed. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 1 vegetarian bouillon cube. 1 3/4 cups boiling water. 2 cups TVP textured vegetable protein. 1 pound soft silken tofu. 1 cup gluten flour or 3/4 cup whole wheat flour. 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast flakes. 1/2 tsp salt. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon poultry seasoning. 1/2 tsp onion powder. How to make it: 1. Steam the spinach and drain well. 2. Heat the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a medium frying pan over medium heat. Cook the onion, stirring occasionally, until transparent, about 5 minutes. 3. Dissolve the bouillon cube in the boiling water. Add the TVP textured vegetable protein and let stand for about 10 minutes. 4. Preheat the oven to 350 F. 5. Pat the tofu dry, then mash. In a large bowl, combine the TVP, spinach, and tofu. Stir in the remaining ingredients and pour the mixture into a lightly greased 8/2x4, 1/2-inch loaf pan. Smooth the top and bake for 45 minutes, or until brown on top. 6. If the loaf begins to get too brown on top, cover with aluminum foil. Serve with vegetarian gravy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel please.